Now let's add the main thing, the vCard. So this is all the sections which are in the side. It will displayed here. vCard is a section which people can save your contact. So add block, either you can scroll and find it here, or just type vCard. For me, add vCard, give the name. Best way is to give save contact and click on submit. See now, a save contact button is added. But this will not work. What you have to do, you have to change the settings of this card. So click on the three dots and click edit. It will be vCard setting. So here you have to add each and everything that you want customers or users to save. So avatar is the image file. It can be your image or your logo. Name, TinyDabba, support, email, info. You can add birthdays, you can add address, city, so you can add notes. So why it is used? Suppose you want to save contact and you want to add like we met in particular event. You are showing this card in particular event. We met. That. So that. Go now. So that user can search by TEDx and find you. So it's internal note. Whenever we save the contact, generally we add some notes. So this is the note we added. Then phone number. So it is important to add phone number. Click on phone number and create. It is important to give some name. So mobile. You can add country code if you want. This can be mobile, or it can be WhatsApp, or it can be support. Then you can add more numbers by adding create. Label it as bot. Then I can add social again, whatever social media I want to add. I want to add Instagram. Here you have to give full URL of your Instagram profile. Hotel, code. Customization setting, save contact, change with my contact. You can choose some icon also. Okay. Contact icon. Okay, again alignment, right, left, center. Background color. Again I use line color. Then update. It is important. Update button. So now whenever the customer click on save contact button on their mobile phone, Android or iOS, the contact will be saved. You can try this. You can see how it works. So I'm keeping this live on my website live, https://vc1256bc. You can anytime see all the things that we have added over here.